Hey guys, how's it going? Well, it hasn't been the greatest of days. I did get the 440 out, and I've got the 408 on the motor hoist, but I ran into a problem. I don't know how well you can see that, but see, I'm missing two of these bolts. I put them all up in the right spot, all in the same spot. All those bolts and the torque converter bolts, all in the same drawer. Now then, I'm missing one torque converter bolt and two flex bolts, flex plate bolts. So what I'm going to do, since I already got this on the engine hoist, I'm going to go ahead and drop it in and see if the headers I have are the right headers, because that was one of the problems I was thinking I was going to have. The headers were wrong. I think they're the right headers, but they might be for the Aspen. But I think they're for my old race truck, but I'm not sure. And you can hear my dog wagging its tail hitting the window. That's kind of cool. Anyway, but we're out here, and as you can see, the engine is out of old red. And right now, all I did is set the 440 in Copperhead, just for a place to sit it. It's just sitting there. So, anyway, that's where I'm at today. I'm kind of stuck. So, that dog's gonna break the damn window. But anyway, if someone could tell me or shoot me a picture or something, because I don't remember. It's been a while. But well, that's wrong side of the engine. Okay, so let's flip this. I do have a question for you guys out there. I know this hole here. See if I can see this. This hole here is for the temperature gauge. This one over here, I got this in there. That's to actually turn on the fans. That's a ground switch, or a thermal switch, I should say. But is that where the heater return goes through? Because you got the heater down here on the water pump. But I think this is the heater return, if I remember right. If somebody could let me know that. But I do believe that is the one where the heater comes back from the core, because I'm actually gonna have heat in this truck, so this winter I won't freeze to death. That was a mistake. Never do that. In the Aspen, I thought it'd be cool. I don't need a heater in that thing. It's fine. I tried to drive it in the winter and about froze to death. Don't ever do that. But anyway, I'm gonna try and put this motor in. Just set it in there. Make sure that the headers will fit right, and I'll pull it back out, put it on the engine stand, and I'll be done. I ordered some new bolts for it. They'll be in tomorrow. Paid good money to have them here tomorrow, but whatever. I need them because I want to get this done. All right. So later, guys.